Today, episode 3 of the garden update. We're gonna check in on the garden today, plant some watercress seeds, and do a reservoir top off for the large NFT system. It is April 20th, Sunday, 61 degrees outside, 76 degrees inside. Hard press record on Sundays so you can get the update on Mondays. My reservoir is running really low, so we're gonna do a reservoir top off. Before I add my 4 gallons of tap water, we're gonna check the parameters in the reservoir. pH sitting at 5.7, water temp 73 degrees. And the ppms are about 850. Okay guys, that pH level sitting at 5.7. It's a little too low for me. I like to run at about 6.0 to 6.5 for lettuce. So after adding this tap water, we'll check it again. Now this is just plain tap water out of the tap. No nutrients, and I did not pH it. It comes out of the tap at 8.0. Let's sit for 48 hours, and simply we're just gonna add it to our reservoir. 15 minutes later, and now you can see the pH is sitting at 6.3, water temp 71. ppms are sitting at 771. I'm gonna call it good. I'd rather be lucky than good any day. By no means am I a professional. I just love to grow things since I was a kid and always was good at it. And that's just what I do. I'm not saying to do what I do. I'm just showing you what I do. Just hoping to inspire more people to grow their own food. Let's get back to my indoor garden. I do have one lettuce head that seems to be struggling, and I'm going to show you exactly how I remedy this situation. You know what you're missing. Well folks, I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, please watch another one, and thanks for watching.